Hi, and welcome to RollXMarketing.com's YouTube channel. That is Roll, R-O-L-L-X, Marketing.com, where we're turning dreams into profits. My name is Charles Owens, and I am the founder of RollX Marketing. And in this channel, I hope to teach other disabled people like myself and abled marketers who might be new on how to make a presence on the web and live a life of freedom. And in this video, I am going to be talking about how to mask your affiliate link to your domain. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification button. That way you'll know every time I upload a video. So I'll see you on the other side. Thanks. Hi, and welcome to RollX Marketing YouTube channel. That's R-O-L-L-X Marketing, where we're turning dreams into profits. My name is Charles Owens, and I am the founder. And I created this channel to help other disabled and abled marketers make a presence on the web, because after about 6 years ago, after I had a really bad fall down a flight of stairs, I rendered myself as a quadriplegic, and I had to find some other way of supporting my lifestyle. So I went on the web and I landed on affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing has afforded me a life of freedom, where I do not have to go out and find a job, and I can still make a living working on the web. And I fell into affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is where I am teaching now, because I want others to not go through the pitfalls or fall through the pitfalls that I did when I first started doing affiliate marketing. So in this channel, I'll be teaching tricks and strategies on how to make it as an affiliate marketer. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to mask your affiliate link, the link that you're given by the people whose products you're selling, because with all the affiliate marketers that are out there, they're basically using the same domain and just giving you a tag, a personalized tag. But because everyone is using that domain, places like Facebook or Pinterest might block you, because so much traffic is going to one particular domain. Facebook looks at it as oops, scam, or something dangerous, even though it's not. So to get around that, you're going to buy your own domain, and then you will mask your affiliate domain. You'll forward it to your affiliate domain, and this is how you do it. I'm going to show you how to do it through GoDaddy, but every hosting company is pretty much the same. Now, this particular webinar that my team from My Econ is going to have on Saturday, or Friday actually, is we're promoting this on Facebook, because there's thousands of people going to that particular domain. Facebook is blocking it. So this is how you get around that. You'll go to GoDaddy or whoever you're using, and you will go there, and then you will find the domain that you have purchased. Once you've purchased a domain, yours might not look quite like mine, because I have a lot of domains that I use. So I'll find a particular domain that I'm looking for, and then I'll go to DNS. Once you hit your DNS, it'll pop up a forwarding domain, subdomain of your domain, or you can forward it straight. You can forward your domain straight and redirect it straight to your affiliate link. But what I have my own domain, which is rolexmarketing.com, and I will make a subdomain of that domain, and I'll redirect it to go to my webinar link as soon as it comes up. Okay, and you'll find your subdomains. Or forwarding as it's called. And you'll hit subdomain add. And I will name the subdomain. So this will be my econ webinar. Oops. It's got to be one word. And it's going to be forwarded to my affiliate link. So I'll pick that up. Go back to GoDaddy. Go back to GoDaddy. And I will forward it to that domain. Paste that in there. And make sure that you go down to the beginning and you take out that extra HTTP. HTTP:////. Take that out so that it'll work correctly. And then you can preview it. Make sure you got it in there right. Okay, so it's in there good. Then you'll go back down and back to GoDaddy. Now, forwarding type. If you do permanent, it's going to take a day or two for it to load up for your subdomain to show. So I always do temporary. And that only takes a few minutes. And then you want to make sure you have forward with masking. You're going to give it a title. So the title is going to be my econ webinar. Put in your brief description. Alright, my econ. Webinar. I want to put in some keywords with it. Where 7-figure earners show our affiliate marketing home base. These are all keywords. Business. Next, you're going to put in some keywords. Make sure when you put in your keywords that they have commas after each other. So it'll be the keyword, then a comma. I'm going to pull some keywords that I already have. Throw those in. Because you want to have keywords so that it helps with SEO. So to double check it, we got our subdomain name, my econ, webinar, sorry, when I type sometimes I hit the mouse by accident. Part of being disabled and using one hand, so bear with me. Alright, so we've got our subdomain name, we've got where it's pointing to, we've got it as a temporary 302 so that it uploads faster. We've got it as forwarding with masking, because if you just forward it, it would be like you didn't do anything. So we've got it at forward with masking. We've got our title. We've got our brief description. And we've got our keywords in. Next thing we do is hit save. And that's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes faster, for it to index to the web. And that is how you forward and mask your domain, your subdomain, to point towards your affiliate link. And you'll do that for every, oh, it went through fast. All right, let's pull it up. Let's see what we got. All right, so our subdomain name was, Okay. My econ webinar dot Rolex marketing .com. Well, let's see if it rolls up. And presto, we have masked our affiliate link. MyEconWebinar.RolexMarketing.com is now pointing towards my affiliate link, which I can go ahead and advertise this and post it on Facebook, and it will show up with no problems. So, if you got any value out of this, please let me know. Hit a like on my hit the like button and let me know, and also send me some comments with some feedback, and make sure, if you haven't already, to hit the subscribe button. And this is Charles Owens with RolexMarketing.com, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.